What are cell organelles? Cell organelles are small structures found inside the cells. In the previous video, we had learned the names of different cell organelles. This is a plant cell. It has lot of smaller structures. They are cell organelles. It has nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, ribosomes, Golgi bodies, chloroplast, and a large vacuole. These smaller structures found inside the cells are called as cell organelles. In this video, we are going to learn few cell organelles in detail. Mitochondria are called as powerhouses of the cell. You know what is the meaning of power? The energy. We need energy to do different work. Do we need energy for cooking? Yes, we need energy for cooking. When wood is burning, the fire is formed. The fire has heat. The heat energy can be used to cook the food. We also need energy for different activities. We get energy from food. How do we get energy from food? After the breakdown of the food, after digestion, the nutrients are taken into the cells. In plants, the food produced by the process photosynthesis is found inside the cells. The food is broken. If we break some substances, heat will be produced. Do you have any experience? If we grind materials in the grinder, inside the mixie, at that time heat is produced. If we break substances, heat is produced. Similarly, when food is broken inside the cell, energy is produced. That process is done by mitochondria. This energy is used by the body. Mitochondria produces energy inside the cell by using oxygen. We breathe in oxygen, that is aerobic respiration. That oxygen is used by the mitochondria to break the food material that produces energy. This energy is used by the body for various activities. Do you think all the cells have the same number of mitochondria? No. All the cells do not have the same number of mitochondria. Muscle cells have more number of mitochondria because muscle cells are very active. Muscle cells do lot of work. When the cells are active, they have more mitochondria because they need more power. This is mitochondria. Mitochondria are rod-like or oval-shaped structures. They are double membrane structures. Mitochondria is plural, mitochondrion singular. Mitochondria are double membrane structures. They are covered by outer membrane and inner membrane. The outer membrane is smooth and the inner membrane has foldings. This mitochondria produces energy for various activities, so it is called as powerhouse of the cell. Chloroplasts are found only in plant cells. Chloroplasts produce food by the process called as photosynthesis. You had learned in lower classes. So chloroplasts are food producers. Where are they found? Chloroplasts are found in green parts only. They are absent in animals. Green leaves have chloroplasts. If we observe a small slice of green leaf under microscope, we can find lot of cells. The leaf cells have chloroplasts. The chloroplasts are green in color. When we see a single chloroplast, this is a structure of single chloroplast. The chloroplast has green color pigment. What's the meaning of pigment? Pigments are colorful substances. Chloroplasts have green color pigment, that is chlorophyll. The chlorophyll has capacity of absorbing sunlight. The chloroplasts have the capacity of absorbing sunlight. So within the chloroplast, the chlorophylls are there. The chlorophylls absorb sunlight. And the chlorophylls convert sunlight energy into chemical energy. Inside the chloroplast, with the help of chlorophyll pigment, sunlight energy is converted into chemical energy. Chemical is produced. What is produced? Glucose is produced by the process. So glucose is energy. Light energy is converted into chemical energy inside the chloroplast. This process is called as photosynthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means preparation. Photo means light. Preparation of food with the help of light is called as photosynthesis. And this glucose energy is used by the plants. They use the energy produced by the photosynthesis inside chloroplast. By using this energy, they grow. They produce new fruits, new leaves, new flowers. Animals also get this energy from plants. Animals eat plants and they get energy from these plants. Chloroplast are the energy producers. They produce energy by the process photosynthesis. Golgi complex or structures consist of flattened bags. Many flattened bag-like structures are arranged one above another. Membrane covered sacs. Sac means bag-like structures. So these membrane covered sacs are arranged one above another. In addition to these structures, small spherical structures are there. Small spherical structures. They are small vacuole-like structures called as. So these are membrane bound sacs. In addition to the sac, small spherical structures. They are small vacuole-like structures called as secretory vesicles. Vesicles are small vacuoles, small ball-like structures. Golgi complex. Now let us see the functions of Golgi complex. These two, see, membrane bound sacs and secretory vesicles, these two together form Golgi complex. This is secretory vesicle. Golgi complex produce secretory substances. What is the meaning of secretory substances? Before that, we must know what is secretion. When some liquid material is released out, that is secretion. Salivary glands involved in secretion. Salivary glands release out saliva. You can understand what is secretion. Production of secretory substance. Secretory substances are produced inside the Golgi complex, and these substances are packaged inside the Golgi complex. They are packaged, and the packaged substances are released. That is secretion. Some substances are packaged inside the Golgi complex. They are released. How? The membrane bound sacs form a bulb-like swelling. We can see in this picture. The membrane bound sacs form a bulb-like swelling. These swellings cut off, pinch off, or separate away. These are called as secretory vesicles. When these small bulb-like structures burst, the secretions are sending out. That is secretion. Golgi complex store lot of substances. In fruits, while ripening, the taste is changed and color is changed. This is because of the secretions of Golgi complex. Change in the color and taste of the fruit is due to the secretions of Golgi complex. Lysosomes are very small structures in the cells. They are called as suicidal bags. Lysosomes are very small to see using a light microscope. They are small vacuole-like structures. They are filled with a lot of chemicals. More than 40 kinds of chemicals. All the chemicals destroy different substances. Some chemicals destroy protein, some chemicals destroy fat. The chemicals stored inside the lysosomes digest different substances. They are the main digestive compartments of the cell. When a cell becomes very old, it cannot function. Old cell cannot function. In that case, the lysosomes inside the old cells burst. So, the cell undergoes lysis. The cell lyses. The lysosomes cause lysing of the cell, that is bursting of the cell. When some microorganisms move inside the cells, the lysosomes burst. So, the microorganism is killed as well as the cell also die. The lysosomes burst and kill the cells. So, they are called as suicidal bags. Centrioles are found in animal cells. They are found near the nucleus. The centrioles are made up of tube-like structures. The tube-like structures are arranged in triplets. We can find 3, next 3. The tubes are arranged in threes, triplets. These centrioles are found in animal cells near the nucleus. So these centrioles help in cell division. What is cell division? One cell divides into 2 cells. Then again they divide into 4 cells. So new cells are formed. This process is cell division. When the cells divide, new cells are formed. So we grow. So during cell division, the centrioles help in the separation of chromosomes. Chromosomes are structures found inside the nucleus. During cell division, the chromosomes move away. When one cell is divided into 2 cells, the chromosomes are shared by the new cells. So they have to move away. They have to separate from each other. This separation of chromosomes during cell division is done by the centrioles. Centrioles help the separation of chromosomes. Endoplasmic reticulum are found attached with a nucleus. Reticulum means net-like structure. Endoplasmic reticulum is made up of net-like tubes, flat tubes, sac-like tubes. Sac means bags. Bag-like tubes are arranged continuously. Bag-like tubes are found continuously, and these are attached to the nucleus. This structure is called as endoplasmic reticulum. So this red color part is nucleolus and the blue color part is nucleus. When the endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes on the surface, here the endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes on the surface. This kind of endoplasmic reticulum or rough endoplasmic reticulum. When ribosome is absent in endoplasmic reticulum, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. What are the 2 types of endoplasmic reticulum? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum without ribosomes. When ribosomes are attached on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum produces proteins. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum produces lipids and steroids. Lipids and steroids are fat-like substances. Endoplasmic reticulum is made up of tube-like structures. Bag-like tubes are arranged continuously. Nucleus is an important structure. It is called as brain of the cell because nucleus controls various activities of the cell. In our body, brain controls the activities within the cell. In one cell, the activities are controlled by the nucleus. This is a structure of nucleus. It may be asked as separate question. So draw and practice the diagrams. Nucleus is covered by nuclear membrane. So this blue color is nuclear membrane, double membrane. The nuclear membrane has holes called as nuclear pores. What's the outer covering of the nucleus? Nuclear membrane. What are nuclear pores? The holes on the nuclear membrane are called as nuclear pores. What is inside the nuclear membrane? Nucleoplasm is inside the nuclear membrane. This is nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm has 2 important structures. One is chromatin body. The thread-like structure is chromatin body and the red color part is nucleolus. The nucleoplasm has nucleolus and chromatin body. During cell division, the chromatin thread is coiled. If you roll the thread, how it will be? The chromatin body are thread-like structures. They are coiled and form chromosomes. The chromatin body becomes chromosomes during cell division. Inside one nucleus, 46 chromosomes are formed in human during cell division. The nucleus is a controlling center of the cell. It controls all the activities, all the processes and chemical reactions within the cell. Chemical reactions and all the processes within the cell are controlled by nucleus. The young one of lion will be lion. The young one of mango tree will be mango tree. The young one of tiger will be tiger. This is because of transfer of characters from one generation to another generation. Characters are carried from one generation to another generation. This is because of nucleus. The nucleus involves in inheritance of characters from one generation to another. Inheritance means transfer. Nucleus performs two functions. One is carrying characters from one generation to another generation. Another function is controlling all the activities of the cell. The word stem cell is new to you. Stem cells are found inside the bone. The stem cells divide very fast. That means one stem cell divides into 2, then 4, then 8, then 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. More number of cells are formed. The stem cells divide and multiply faster. This is one of the characteristic features of stem cells. In higher classes, you will learn more about stem cell. Here we are going to learn two aspects of stem cells. The first one is they divide and multiply faster. Second, in this diagram at the center, stem cells are there. The cells found at the center are stem cells. The stem cells change into any other types of cells. That means a stem cell can change into muscle cells. A stem cell can change into intestinal cell. What is intestine? It is a part of digestive system. A stem cell can change into blood cell. A stem cell can become nerve cell. From a stem cell, cardiac muscle cells develop. Cardiac muscle cells are found in the wall of heart. A stem cell can develop into liver cells. Stem cells have the capacity of developing into various other types of cells, and the stem cells divide and multiply faster.